Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Tech Zero. Today we'll be starting with a playlist of Salesforce. We'll be starting with basics, and as we progress through the course, we'll be learning a lot of advanced concepts about Salesforce. Today we will be dealing with two basic steps in here. First is creating a developer's account in Salesforce. This account is for practice purpose only. Whatever concepts you learn, you get to practice in developer's account. This is completely free of cost, provided by Salesforce. And the second thing we will do today is navigating through the Salesforce or whatever account you have created in Salesforce. We'll just move about a little bit and learn what is what. You may not understand everything today, but as we move about in the course, believe me, you will get to learn a lot of things. So for creating an account in Salesforce, you need to copy this URL. I will put this in the description, and you can go to the sign up form. You can put in your first name, last name, your email address, and whatever other fields are needed. And after that, one important field in here that you need to understand is the username. So for example, your name is ABC and your company name is XYZ. Conventionally put your username like this. You can put whatever you want. Make sure that an @ should be like this, and it somehow looks like the email ID, and this should be unique. And this is actually your login ID whenever you're trying to log in into a Salesforce account. After you agree to the Salesforce terms and conditions, you can click on sign me up, and you will get an email to set your password. After you set your password, you go to login.salesforce.com, and you can put in your username and password in here to log in. After you click on login button, you may receive an email asking for with an OTP, verification OTP. You put the OTP in there, and then you are into Salesforce account. It is hardly a 5 minutes task. It's very easy. Please let me know if you have any problem while creating the Salesforce developers account. We can help. So after you log in, this is what your screen looks like. Click on these 9 dots and search for sales. After the sales comes, choose it from your list, and this is where you come. This is the Salesforce homepage. You can see that in URL it is written home, so this is the home page. So this is the these 9 dots. This is called app launcher. Whatever apps you have created in Salesforce, all the apps appear in here. You can see there is service app, marketing app, community. This is the sales app. So after this 9 dots, there is the name of the app you are currently in. So I am currently in the sales app. After that, we have this home tab. In home tab, say for example you are working as a salesperson, then this dashboard shows your quarterly performance. There may be tasks scheduled for today and a lot of other things. After this home page can be configured as needed for different kinds of users. Say for example, the salesperson sees his quarterly performance only, whereas the manager or supervisor may see a dashboard which reflects the performance of the whole team and everything. After that, we have a series of tabs. Everything in here is configurable. You can choose what tabs you want in here. So these tabs basically represent different types of accounts and different types of records. So there are accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads. Say for example, this is, let's go to the contacts tab. So we'll understand each bit of all these things in detail. Say for example, these are the persons who are the contacts in the Salesforce org. So these are the contacts. So this tab contains all the contacts in here. This shows a list of campaigns, different marketing campaigns that are happening or that has ever happened. So these are called tabs in Salesforce. There is a search button. Say for example, I search whatever I want to. I am searching with this name in search, and it will give me a campaign result. you can see when if you can't find a record, you can use this search bar. This is called global search bar, to search a particular record. And in here there is a gear icon. This gear icon is one of the most important things in this entire account. So we will be performing all our configurations in this setup that you can see while we click on gear account. So here you can see one avatar. This avatar is your account, whatever profile you are in. So there you can see settings. You can log out from here. There is a Salesforce Classic. So Salesforce has two kinds of interfaces. So this Salesforce Classic is the old one, and whatever we are in right now is called Lightning Experience. So I'm writing it in here. We currently use Lightning Experience, whereas we used to have Classic, which is an old one. So we can switch to Classic to see how it looks. This is how a Classic interface looks like. It is not used much nowadays. Mostly we use Lightning Experience. So we can switch to Lightning Experience from here. So now we will navigate to the setup. So click on this gear icon and go to setup. All your configurations, you do it from here. So in this home you find all the setup available in here. Whatever settings you want to change, whatever configurations you want to make, you find it here. And in this object manager you get a list of objects. If you are familiar with databases used to have databases have tables, and tables contain various records. So the analogy of tables in Salesforce is this object, and the behavior is the same. We'll see how it behaves like in our later sessions. So this object manager, you can see one account also. So this account is actually this account. So this account and this account in object manager, it contains all the metadata, like metadata as in what is the structure of the object, what fields are in there, how the object should behave. So whatever records are in there, or whatever account records are in here, are present in this account object only. If you go to this account object, you get to configure the account object as you need. You can see all the fields in here, in these fields and relationships, and a lot of things. We will get to see all this in detail in our next sessions. So do share and subscribe. Thank you.